Hello my friend, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to use less data while playing videos on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Press on settings. Scroll down till we get media. Press on data saver. Now you will use up to 40 less data by reducing video quality. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to use less data while playing videos on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.